So the morning of SubieFest, we all met up at the hotel pretty early. We had quite a few cars. I think a total of about 9. So we wound up spending quite a bit of time getting the tents and everything all situated. And then positioning the cars, which took a bit of time to get them all in there and have them all looking, good. So after we got all the cars set up and, we've been hanging out for a little bit, I heard over the intercoms they were going to be giving away rides with Scott Speed in the Vermont sports car, rally car. I got some friends in some pretty good places, and because of one of them, I was able to kind of sneak a ride along. Unlike anything I've ever ridden in. Like, with a car like that can turn so fast and then pin you to the seat and turn again and pin you to the seat, you don't really have a chance to respond to what's going on. I mean, my mind's still kind of blown by it. Towards the end of the event, they started giving away, all the giveaways, and we decided that we'd give away a Subaru, one of our BP-500 short blocks.
Brown's Performance is giving away a BP-500 short block, total value over $3,400.
That short block's not really, it's not really a performance-driven short block. It does have forged pistons with stock STI rods, but with that being said, I remember very, very clearly what it felt like when I was at that point, I owned an STI and I didn't know what I wanted to do with it, and God, I would have killed for somebody to be giving away a short block and be the guy that won it. I know whenever we started this engine build program that we wanted to offer some of the best that you could buy, and that's how we're doing it. And that's just kind of our way of saying thanks.
The Brown's Performance short block is going home with Alex. Hands up if your name is Alex. Alex Andrews. We have an Alex Andrews on the way up.
I can't believe I won this short block. It's an astounding prize to just give it away to anybody for free, and it's all thanks to Brown's Performance.